Sanibonani bafundi, sizofunda ngokudla. Ukudla, food. We are learning about food. Let us look at the types of food we are going to learn about. Ake sibheke ukudla esizofunda ngakho. Amazambane, potatoes. Amazambane, potatoes. Isipinashi, spinach. Isipinashi, spinach. Ujuzi, juice. Ujuzi, juice. I-apula, apple. I-apula, apple. Isinkwa, bread. Isinkwa, bread. Ubanana, banana. Ubanana, banana. Iphalishi, porridge. Iphalishi, porridge. Amaqanda, eggs. Amaqanda, eggs. Ubisi, milk. Ubisi, milk. Amaswidi, sweets. Amaswidi, sweets. Manje-ke sesizofunda ukubhala imisho ngalamagama amasha esifunde ngawo. Now we are going to learn how to make sentences using the new vocabulary that we have learned today. Sizoqala ngokufunda amabizo emisho. We're starting with the verbs that we are going to use when we are making our sentences. Thanda is to love or like. Bona, to see. Thandi, when you don't like. Thenga, it's to buy. Thengi, not buying. Phuza, to drink. Dla is a root word for idla, which is eat. Imisho sentences. Let us look at the examples of the sentences that we can make. Sibheka izibonelo zemisho esingayenza. Ngithanda iphalishi. Ngithanda iphalishi. I like porridge. Ngibona amazambane. Ngibona amazambane. I see potatoes. Angithandi ubanana. Angithandi ubanana. I don't like banana. Ngithenga ubisi. Ngithenga ubisi. I am buying milk. Ngiphuza ujusi. Ngiphuza ujusi. I am drinking juice. Ngidla i-apula. Ngidla i-apula. I am eating an apple. Angithengi amaswidi. Angithengi amaswidi. I am not buying sweets. Siyathenga, we are buying. We are now going to talk about the language that we use when we go buy at a local tuck shop. Sizokhuluma ngolimi lokuthenga esitolo. Ngicela, it's may I have. Ngithenge, I bought. So when someone asks you, uthengeni, what did you buy? You will say, ngithenge, I bought. Then you mention the things that you bought. Siyabonga or ngiyabonga means thank you. Kuphelile, it is finished or it is out of stock. Kuphelile, it's finished or it's out of stock. Ngidayisa, I am selling. Ake sibone isibonelo sokuthenga esitolo. Let us see an example of buying at the shop. Ulungile uyothenga esitolo. Lungile is going to buy at the shop. Lungile. Sawubona mnini stolo. Umnini stolo is the store owner, okay? So Lungile, sawubona mnini stolo. Lungile greets the store owner. Umnini stolo, yebo sawubona, ngingakusiza. The store owner says, "Hi, how can I help you? Ngingakusiza. How can I help you?" Lungile, yebo, ngicela isinkwa namaqanda ayisithupha. Yes, may I please have bread and 6 eggs, or half a dozen of eggs. Mnini stolo, the store owner. Kulungile, kuzobiza amarandi angamashumi amabili. All right, it will all cost 20 rand. Amashumi amabili is 20. Amarandi is rands. Lungile. Nansi imali. Emnika u-20 rand. Here is the money. She gives the shopkeeper 20 rand. Ngiyabonga, thank you. Sala kahle. Stay well. Umnini stolo, the shopkeeper or the store owner, ngiyabonga, nawe uhambe kahle. Thank you. Go well. Salani kahle.